We all have the power to shape our reality, and it starts with the words we use. The energy we put out into the universe is reflected back in the form of experiences, people, and opportunities. But what if you could consciously use words to activate the law of attraction and align your life with your desires? In this video, we will explore how saying 3 specific affirmations for just 3 days can begin to manifest powerful changes in your life. By tuning your thoughts and words, you'll unlock the potential to attract more abundance, love, and success. The 3 affirmations to focus on are: I am worthy of all that I desire. Abundance flows freely into my life. Success is my natural state. By repeating these words for just 3 days, you will start to see shifts in your reality. Let's explore and see how you can activate the law of attraction today. Before we look into the daily affirmations, it's important to understand how the law of attraction works. This universal law states that like attracts like. The energy, thoughts, and feelings you put out into the world are reflected back to you. If you focus on positivity and abundance, you attract more of it. If you focus on scarcity or lack, that's what you'll continue to attract. The first step in activating the law of attraction is aligning your mindset with your desires. It's not just about wanting something, it's about believing you deserve it and tuning your energy to match your desires. When you say the words, I am worthy of all that I desire, you're affirming your worthiness to receive everything you want. The words you speak are incredibly powerful. They shape your thoughts and beliefs, which in turn shape your reality. That's why it's essential to choose your words wisely, especially when you're consciously trying to manifest something. By saying the right affirmations, you send a message to the universe that you're ready to receive. In this video, we'll explore how saying 3 specific words each day can help you activate your desires and attract what you want. Day 1, affirm your worth. On the first day, begin by focusing on the affirmation. I am worthy of all that I desire. The universe responds to confidence, and self-worth is the foundation of attraction. When you affirm your worth, you're telling yourself that you deserve to receive everything you want, whether it's love, success, health, or happiness. Repeat this affirmation throughout the day, especially when self-doubt or negative thoughts creep in. Stand in front of a mirror, look yourself in the eyes, and say, I am worthy of all that I desire. The more you affirm your worth, the stronger your belief in yourself will become, which will in turn attract opportunities that reflect that belief. When you say, I am worthy, you create space for abundance to flow into your life. You raise your vibration and become aligned with the energy of the things you want. On day 1, focus on really feeling the truth of this affirmation. Trust that you are deserving of the best life has to offer. By the end of the day, you should notice a shift in your energy. As you affirm your worth, you begin to see the world through a lens of confidence and self-assurance, which helps you to attract more of what you desire. The universe will start sending you opportunities and people who reflect the worth you've just affirmed. Day 2, affirm your abundance. On the second day, shift your focus to the affirmation. Abundance flows freely into my life. Abundance is not just about money. It's about everything good in life. Abundance includes love, opportunities, success, health, and happiness. When you say this affirmation, you are opening the doors for all forms of abundance to flow toward you. Visualize what abundance looks like to you, whether it's financial freedom, fulfilling relationships, or radiant health. As you repeat, abundance flows freely into my life, allow yourself to really imagine those things already coming into your reality. The more vividly you can picture your desires, the more the universe will respond. Gratitude is also an important part of this affirmation. The more grateful you are for what you already have, the more you will attract. So as you say the words, abundance flows freely into my life, take a moment to appreciate everything you already have. This simple practice helps amplify the energy of abundance. By the end of the second day, you will start noticing that opportunities are appearing around you. People, situations, and even resources will seem to align with your desires. This is the law of attraction at work, showing you that abundance is everywhere and that you are open to receiving it. Day 3, affirm your success. On the third day, focus on the affirmation, success is my natural state. Success is not something that is hard to achieve, it's your birthright. When you repeat this affirmation, you remind yourself that you are inherently successful and capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. As you say these words, visualize yourself reaching your goals. Picture yourself succeeding in your career, relationships, and personal life. How does it feel to live your dream life? The more you can embody the feeling of success, the stronger your connection to it will become. Every time you face challenges or setbacks, use this affirmation to remind yourself that success is inevitable. You have everything you need to succeed. Saying success is my natural state will help you shift your mindset and overcome obstacles with confidence. The law of attraction responds to the energy you send out, and when you align yourself with success, you will start to manifest it more easily. On this third day, accept your inner success. Celebrate your achievements no matter how big or small, and know that more is coming. By affirming your success, you're making space for even greater accomplishments in your life. Trust that the universe is aligning everything in your favor. Now that you've practiced affirming your worth, abundance, and success for 3 days, it's important to continue incorporating these affirmations into your daily routine. The law of attraction is all about consistency. The more you align your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your desires, the more you'll start to see results. Make these affirmations part of your morning ritual. Set the tone for your day by repeating these words aloud. As you go through your day, check in with yourself to make sure your thoughts align with your affirmations. The law of attraction works best when you're in a state of gratitude, positivity, and belief. In addition to saying these affirmations, take inspired action. The universe responds to your energy, but it also responds to your effort. Keep moving forward towards your goals and trust that the law of attraction will continue to work in your favor. The more you take action, the more momentum you build, and the more aligned you become with your desires. By continuing this practice, you'll notice that your life starts to shift in ways you never imagined. Opportunities will appear, people will show up, and your reality will begin to reflect the affirmations you've been speaking. Keep believing, keep saying the words, and keep taking action. One of the most important elements of activating the law of attraction is truly believing in the power of your words. Words are not just sounds or phrases, they carry energy, vibration, and frequency. When you speak with conviction, you are sending out a specific energetic signal to the universe, letting it know what you want to attract into your life. To activate the law of attraction, it's essential to believe that your words have the power to shape your reality. Many people make the mistake of saying affirmations without truly believing them, and this creates a disconnect between their words and their energy. If you say, "I am worthy of all that I desire," but deep down you don't believe it, you're not fully aligning with the energy of that affirmation. Take time to really feel the words as you speak them. Close your eyes and visualize your desires manifesting as you say your affirmations aloud. The more you can connect with the emotions behind the words, the stronger the attraction becomes. Belief in your affirmations creates a magnetic pull that attracts the situations, people, and opportunities you need to make your desires a reality. Start by taking small steps to build trust in the power of your words. Celebrate every time you speak affirmations with confidence and conviction, and notice how quickly the universe starts to respond. When you believe in the power of your words, you align with the frequency of your desires, making it much easier to manifest them. Along with speaking affirmations, visualization is another powerful tool in the law of attraction. When you visualize, you're using your mind's eye to create a mental image of what you want. It's important that the image is clear, detailed, and emotionally charged. Visualization helps to align your thoughts with your desires, reinforcing the power of the words you're affirming. To truly activate the law of attraction, visualize your goals as if they've already happened. Imagine yourself living your dream life, enjoying the success, love, or prosperity you've been affirming. The more real and vivid the mental image, the stronger your connection to it becomes. For instance, if you've been saying abundance flows freely into my life, take a few moments each day to imagine what that abundance looks like. Visualize the wealth, the opportunities, the new experiences. Feel the excitement and gratitude as if they're happening right now. This mental rehearsal helps to bring your desires closer to reality by aligning your mind with the energetic frequency of what you want. The key here is consistency. Make visualization a daily habit, especially as you're repeating your affirmations. The more often you do this, the clearer your picture becomes and the stronger your belief grows. As your visualization and affirmations become aligned, the universe starts to deliver opportunities that match the energy you're putting out. While affirmations and visualization are key to activating the law of attraction, taking inspired action is just as crucial. The universe responds not only to the energy and words you send out, but also to the actions you take toward your goals. If you want to manifest abundance, you need to act in ways that show you're ready to receive it. Inspired action means taking steps toward your desires that feel right and aligned with your intentions. These are not forced actions, but steps that come from a place of excitement, trust, and clarity. You might not always know exactly how things will unfold, but taking action toward what feels right will set the process into motion. For example, if your affirmation is success is my natural state, taking inspired action might involve looking for opportunities that align with your skills, applying for new positions, or starting a new project that excites you. It could also involve making room in your life for success by letting go of limiting beliefs or past failures. The universe responds to action that matches your energy. By taking small, inspired actions, you demonstrate your belief in your affirmations and show that you're ready to receive what you've asked for. The more action you take, the more momentum builds, and the closer you come to manifesting your desires. By saying these powerful affirmations for just 3 days, you can begin to activate the law of attraction and bring your desires into reality. Don't forget to believe in the power of your words, visualize your goals with clarity, and take inspired action toward them. These practices, when done consistently, will help you align with the frequency of abundance, success, and love. Keep speaking your truth and watch as the universe responds. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on manifesting your dreams.